for you, man.
That is it.
That is it.
Cat. Come in, Papa. Next one. Same treatment, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, like, then put on the blacks on that. Now show you how you do it, man. Yeah, you have to.
Put on blacks.
Just one of that little man. One of them. Push it down and yeah. That take out back some. That
Too much.
Too much. Too much.
Very sick.
Oh, listen, let me show you how you do the blacks. You have to can come over and like so. So you can come over. You see that side there now? You fold it like you fold a book. Like so. And lock it in. One. And I cook it out cooking there, you know. Two. You know, just ease it up. You see that now? It lock. The juice can't left out tight. Same thing you do with that part here, sir. Yeah. Okay? It lock in. And then the same thing. You have to something. So when you turn in the juice and leak out, when you pull it back now, that is it.
That is it.
Put one more, Papa. I'll put it on the other side. That's the lock it a bit. Alright. Sorry, more. Right. So the same thing, you just carry over this panel like this.
We're doing fish on the grill, guys. With
See? This one. Come on, I'll just punch and punch for this. This is right here. It's tear. It can't take off too long. This when time it starts, it will swell up. When you eat, take it. So it's like it's a bake in there. That's the first
so we have two of them, guys.
Two of them do that.
This
is it.
So yeah, you know, getting kind of messy because they're doing their thing. I cleaned it up already, but they're doing their thing. So yeah. So these are the fishes, and it's gonna do some more. Yeah, so the color already steamed, guys, with the okra. Yeah. So Italian, yeah, Italian, I know you're gonna love this one. I know everyone is gonna love this one. So guys, I know you're gonna love this video. So remember to watch the ads as well. And share it with a friend, yeah? And please do subscribe to our channel. Okay? Me and our family TV. Watch how you subscribe, watch a little video, leave a like, comment, and if you can share the video you watch, you share it out. But you know, remember to subscribe, guys. Yeah, so it's wrapping. Yeah. properly so that the juice stay inside and the fish steam in the quality. Teamwork make the dream work, right? That's all right. Teamwork make the dream work, right? Alright, so that is one.
Papa, oh, you're doing anything that one wrong.
My boys is probably.
Har du islat det?
I think so. Come on.
Just a nice the magnet on this one. Not the one that you cook with, that's a regular liquor all night. There's something thinner than this little pint. I may have stopped you from the thing.
One little sharp on the little pint.
Yeah. That's good. One Malika, put the thing in, man. What go on, man?
But just see that I want to send high fire up front. The coal stove, hear me? The jerk pan, yeah. The jerk pan. So that's how you do it, guys. Some person put cock soup in there as well, you know, but we don't have no cock soup, so it's okay with just what is in it already. Can still work. My husband, uncle, and uncle and nephew looking about fish together. Yeah. So I must steam some fish in the fire paper. Drop it and steam it real good. Fish and okra, salad. The good things then, you know? Just comes to mind.
man.
No use too much. I'm telling you. When you use too much file, waste the file pan one fish.
No, I thought it was
The file thin, yeah, thin, yes. So that part there, the last of that one, really. That one the thicker. Me that say the daughter says the color, but she did a color, she said she not get it.